Okay, so guys, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
How are you all today?
Good.
Okay, if you are fine, come on, pay fine. Everybody, 100 rupees each, come on.
No.
So you're not fine? So when somebody says to you how you are, you should say fantastic, amazing, rocking, great, cool. There's so many words that you can use. Okay, so I would like to call you on the stage here, not on the stage, on the hot seat today. I'll ask you some random questions. I don't know what I'm gonna ask, and you have to answer accordingly. Don't get scared. Don't think that I am gonna kill you if you're gonna make any mistake. Don't worry about anything. Mistakes are the part of learning. So, who would like to come first on the stage? Come on. Who would like to come on the stage? Pawan, come on, Pawan, come on the stage. Come on, everybody, put your hands together for Pawan. Come on. Pawan, be seated, Mr. Pawan. Okay, so you are sitting on the hot seat now. This is called a hot seat. What seat?
Hot seat.
So, are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
It's hot weather outside, so I hope you are not feeling hot here.
No, sir.
It's okay. So, I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready to answer?
Yes, sir.
Do you like to speak English?
Yes, sir. I like to speak English.
Okay, all right. So, why are you here, basically?
Sir, I am here to speak English and boost our confidence and boost our learning skills.
So, do you have confidence now?
Yes, sir. I have confidence now.
Good. So, do you think you took the right decision by joining American Institute?
Yes, sir. It's a right decision for me.
Okay, are you happy with the performance?
Yes, sir. I'm happy with my performance.
Good. Do you have somebody in your neighborhood with whom you can talk in English?
No, sir. Not in my neighborhood and not in my home also. But
There's nobody in your neighborhood,
No, sir.
in your home even.
You know, sir. But I try to speak on peer app also.
Okay. You are using some applications to practice with people.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So it is free app or you are paying some money for that?
No, sir. It is a free of cost.
Good. So tell me something about your locality.
I live at Rohini sector 4, and my locality is good. In my locality, there is a hospital nearby, a hospital and a mall, and also nearby schools and like all facilities are available in my localities.
That's great. Okay. So what's your dream?
My currently my dream is to become a software engineer.
Okay, to become a software engineer.
Yes.
What are you doing?
Currently, I am doing BCA.
You are pursuing BCA.
Yes.
Is correspondence or you're going regularly?
No, sir. It is a correspondence. I am practicing coding skills like DSA, front end development, and back end development also.
Good. So what do you do in your free time? Whenever you have free time and you are staying at your home or you are like you have no pressure of work at that time, what do you do?
So sometimes I read books, sometimes I watch podcast, and sometimes I also watch reels.
When you come on the stage now, do you get nervous?
No, sir, I don't nervous.
Don't get nervous.
Don't get nervous.
Okay. So you have got enough confidence to come on the stage to speak now.
Yes, sir, I have enough confidence to speak on the stage.
Okay. So I want to ask you a tricky question. Tell me what success is according to you.
According to me, success is when you are a good person, you help others, you earn money, and you earn respect whenever you go on outside.
Okay, all right. So that's enough for today. We cannot have long conversation as we have limited timings. So we had very good conversation, or I had very good conversation with Mr. Pawan, and he responded very well. So come on, Pawan. Guys, come on, clap for him. Come on, be seated. Okay, so he answered all the questions very well. Now, who would like to come on the stage?